What's going on, guys? Blake here. 10:23. It's a little bit earlier right now. Pre-recording this. Been a very busy and productive and good weekend. So I'm cleaning up the studio now. I wanted to show you guys a little bit. Last night's live stream came out so cool. Love it. Bam. Nice. All right, I've also got just a little update. So I've got so much Nolan Ryan to go out. I already did the silvers and the gold, packing up these last few reds. And we also have, oh God. All these have their stickers taken off, which is great. And a cleaning station for tomorrow. So we're gonna glove up, solvent thinner, get the sticky stuff off. Prepare to sign. So this is where I was standing most of the weekend, just like that. Bam, 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 bam. Which I'll show you guys right now, some time lapses. Anyways, thank you guys so much for checking in again. I hope you guys are ready to crush a week. I'm definitely ready for Monday. I'm very excited. Stay awesome. Man, look at some of these. Oh, that's cool. Pretty nice. Okay, back to time lapse. Feeling like I'm feeling